Yeah, Wheezy Radio Show, the Fuckery Video Talk, and Wheezy Radio News, Diddy Part 5. So it was a trial appearance court meeting, meaning he was not going to be released. This was all for the judge to try to set trial, like set the trial date, right? Make sure you like, comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share my motherfucking content, man. This is on Wheezy Radio News, and this is also on the Fuckery Video Talk. This is Diddy. Did he do it? The Diddler, Part 5. Wheezy Radio, man. I'm at work, man. I'm on it. Shit. So, what do y'all think, man? Because, what is it? GHB or GBH? That's in baby oil? That's a drug that they put in baby oil. You wipe down the woman's body, and then next thing you know, she's just so fucking relaxed and all that. Cause I never like when I got into intercourse with a woman, I don't really be using no baby oil and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So what was P. Diddy doing here if the feds have that against you and they deny your bail for 2 fucking times? So now P. Diddy set trial date is for May 5th, 2025. Are you surprised? Like, are you surprised about it? I'm not surprised about it. Do you know Diddy? Regardless if you a fan of him, you listen to his music like Wheezy Radio Podcast here listens to his music. But P. Diddy always had features. Let's get that correct. He always had features, right? So do you believe of what's going on? Or do you know P. Diddy personally? Because from what I'm hearing, the people, the rappers, the singers, the entertainers, the politicians that knew P. Diddy personally, guess what? They saying the same thing about him. So if you knew P. Diddy personally, then what? What does that say for you? What? You knew this man personally? What? You knew this man was doing wrong, but you never said anything? You're guilty. Because it's about saving the motherfucking children. And I was not even supposed to do a Diddy Part 5 video, people, but this is Diddy Part 5. I find it strange that the mayor of New York City, Eric Adams, gave P. Diddy the key to the city. And then all of a sudden, P. Diddy gets locked up. Then all of a sudden, Eric Adams gets indicted. Then all of a sudden, all of the people that's under Eric Adams, like the Board of Education, all of these people are stepping down. Police commissioners stepping down. Why? You ever think about that? Or you ever ask yourself that question? Why? Oh, Weezy Weezy Radio knows why. Y'all been doing a lot of crooked ass shit in New York City. But y'all talking about y'all leading the fucking American citizens of New York. How? When you doing crooked shit, when you invite illegal immigrants to New York City that can't get a job, they don't got no papers, no nothing. And this is the Democrats that did this. This ain't the Republicans that did this. This is the Democrats that did this, right? You welcome these people in. And then they get a big ass check. You get a big ass check for inviting the migrants in. And then you're the mayor, the New York City mayor, leading the people. And you're leading the people in the wrong fucking way. Mr. Eric Adams, whoever you are. And that's just my take, my reaction on this here. Something needs to be done, and can Weezy Radio sit there and say, put American people first, okay? Weezy Radio.